Introducing Vinte Amino Acid Double Action Cleanser, a new generation of cleansing, powered by multi-dimensional botanical repair. Instant soothing with Panthenol and Centella Asiatica, calming irritation, redness, and barrier damage. Deep hydration from Aloe Vera and Cactus, locking in moisture to prevent post-cleanse tightness. Antioxidant Brightening from Snow Lotus, Polygonatum, and Dendrobium, reviving dull skin from sleepless nights with a soft, radiant glow. A unique dual texture experience, a refreshing gel that melts into skin, transforming into a cloud-like creamy foam. Formulated with amino acid surfactants and enriched with 17 essential amino acids, gently dissolving impurities while preserving the skin's lipid barrier. Cleansing while soothing, hydrating while protecting. Skin feels fresh, refined, and nourished, perfectly prepped to absorb skincare and reveal a smooth, luminous finish. Vinte Amino Acid Double Action Cleanser. Gentle, refreshing, botanical healing in every touch.